What is up, guys? It is Ecos and I'm back with another Unity Devlog video, and today I'm going to be going over what I've done on the Dark Realm over the past week. But before we get started, for those who are new to this devlog series, first I recommend you go and check out the past devlogs on the Dark Realm, but also let me tell you what this game is about. The Dark Realm is a 2D side-scroller about a man named Jake who was recently put into a coma. Inside of this coma, Jake comes across this evil entity that is trying to keep him in this coma through guilt induction and attempting to break down Jake mentally. Throughout this coma, Jake experiences many hardships that challenge his mental strength, his strength of character, and the will to overcome guilt. Will Jake give in to the guilt and stay in the coma, or will he prevail and overcome the guilt and escape the coma? Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. To start out the week, I decided to work on my planning system and schedule a bit. I went into Notion and created a weekly agenda with the weekly agenda template so I could plan out my tasks for each day of the week. This helps me not be so scatterbrained and allows me to just look at my schedule, see what I have to do for the day, and get it done. Over the past few months, I've been really trying to build work ethic and just get better at scheduling and being more organized in general, and I think I'm finally getting to the point where I can get things done efficiently and effectively without being confused and unorganized. After I finished setting up my weekly agenda, I opened up Unity and Photoshop and decided to work on some art. As you guys know from the last devlog, I decided to redo the art within my forest level. Over the past week, that's been the main thing I've been doing, but I've been sure to get other things done as well. This week I got forest frames 2 through 5 done, and I reset up a few things within the first forest frame, such as color and trees. I decided that instead of using static and animated trees together, I would use all animated trees within my frames. I made this decision because it overall just makes things look better and more lively. I also added animated waving grass to the frames to just add a little bit more movement to the scene. And I went ahead and set the project color space from gamma to linear, which I completely forgot to do when I started the project. Doing this helps the colors overall just look nicer and not so white. Finally, I searched the Unity forums a bit and found some code that helped me make sure that none of the trees and grass had the same animation speed, which makes the game just a little bit more immersive and random. Next, I wanted to finish up the player's first interaction with the entity by adding voice lines for the entity, so I hopped into Audacity and started recording. I had to take my time and figure out what effects sounded good together to make an evil demonic type voice, but after 10 to 15 minutes I figured it out. I took 2 days to record the 11 lines that the entity has for that specific dialogue, and in my opinion they turned out really good. Here's a small preview.
I'm not just in your head, Jake. I'm everywhere. I am everything.
The entity is going to be interacting with the player throughout the game, and for now, I'm going to voice him unless I find somebody that can do a better job. I don't know how many characters will be within the game yet, but I don't think there's going to be very many, so I won't need to go find different people to voice different characters. To finish off the week, I decided to fix a small bug with the pause menu. For some reason, all the art for the pause menu got messed up and wasn't rendering, so I had to go through and replace some of the art, which wasn't too hard, and from there, I had to just copy and paste the fixed pause menu into each scene. Overall, I think I made a really good amount of progress this week. I'm finally making progress again on the art, I'm fixing up my schedule, I'm getting more story elements done with the dialogue system, and I'm fixing small bugs as I go. Soon, I should be officially done with the first level of the game, and I'll be able to move on to the next levels of the game and story. And yes, I said first level. For the past year, I've been working on the first and second levels because of the first part of the game, and over the past year, I've been improving on art, improving and adding mechanics, and really just figuring out what this game is and what its story is. I really hope you guys are as excited for this game as I am because I have many plans and I can't wait to see what the future holds for me and my game. But on that note, that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please go and hit that subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I hope everyone's day has been going good. If it hasn't, then I hope this video helped. If it didn't, then I hope you guys can do something today that'll make it good. And then you can reflect on today and say it's a good day. So yeah, I'm Z Codes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next one. Peace.